Welcome to my next tutorial. Today we're going to have a look at putting the wheels on the bottom. For this one we've already done our extrusion, we've put a couple of fillets on it, and today we're going to have a look at doing another sketch on the bottom of our skateboard. So to begin, create a new sketch. So select the bottom face of your skateboard, and you come up with these ones again. We're going to create a new sketch, so the one on the end there. So to begin, we're going to use our rectangle tool, and we're going to draw on 4 rectangles onto our skateboard, like so. So we've got 2 and 3 and 4. Okay, so now once we've got our 4 rectangles on there, we're just going to go through and dimension our rectangles by, first of all, let's make these, we'll go 5 by 3. So make sure all rectangles are dimensioned 5 by 3. When you do this one, if I've drawn mine all in a line, but so that's going to come up with an error code, just because when I've drawn my sketch on there, I've done it so that all of these are in line. So depending on if you've done it like I have, you might need to dimension them slightly differently, because all of your rectangles anyway need to be 5 by 3. So once that's dimensioned, we've got to put them in the right spot on our skateboard. So we'll select one in Inventor, remembering when I put my line over the selection, it's going to turn white. So select it, and up here, and we're going to change that to, let's go 3 mil. So 3 mil looks pretty good. And let's change these ones here to, so from that point, oops, let's just exit out of that. So select that point to this line. No, I don't want that one. From that, let's try this rectangle. So from there to this point is going to be 3 mil. And that looks, make all of these ones 3 as well. So this one here, so for all your rectangles, it needs to be like this. So this is going to be 5 by 3. And from this line here to the edge of your rectangle here is 3 mil. So that looks pretty good as well. So 5, 3. That looks pretty good. Now we're just going to do one last one. So select our bottom line here and select that one. That's going to give me an arrow. Don't want that. Let's try this rectangle. So select the bottom line to this line, and we're going to change that to 3. Now that looks a little bit better. So that is our sketch fully dimensioned. So if I select our green tick, we're going to exit out of our 2D sketch and go finish sketch. Now, like we did before, on the side profile of our skateboard, we're just going to extrude all of these rectangles that we've just done in our 2D sketch. So like we did before, extrude tool, and you're just going to select all of our rectangles, noticing that that is way too high. So we're going to have to change that to, at the moment that's 30. Let's try see what 4 looks like. Oops, not 44, we want 4. And that looks, let's even try 3, I reckon. 3 looks pretty good. So once you've done that, you can go hit OK. And the last thing that we need to do, so at the moment we've got our little rectangles, but we want these to be rounded off. Okay, so there's a couple of different ways to do that, but we're just going to use our fillet tool. So if you select your fillet tool and then select the lines, we'll see that we've got 75. We're going to change our fillet to 1.5. And once we've got that, we're just going to go around. Let's actually change that to 2. Let's go 3. Oh. No, I like 2. We'll go 2. Alright, so we've got 2. We'll select our lines, and this one, and this one, and that hit OK. And we've got the wheels on the bottom of the skateboard. Okay, so once you've done that, you can have a go maybe writing your name or doing some art on it as well.